is Dubs in the Trees. The best Northeast car show in my opinion because it's all the homies.
It's like a car gathering of the friends.
Yeah, it's definitely not a meet, but it's a nice spot. It's a good spot to, nice drive.
Drifted.
Nice drive. Scenic. Close. So, good enough.
Need another. I need a red one.
Get another one. I said that.
What? Yeah, you're cool with that?
Listen, dude, we're already out here doing big things. Might as well get another one.
I need a red and black version of every car that I own.
Obviously, it's a Jimmy. Look, I even look at red and black. This is how we roll. Exactly.
Oh, I love these things so much. Oh my god. What? What is happening?
That's actually an interesting thing.
I told you I was fancy. Look at all the wrinkled black in this thing.
Well, it's not really wrinkled black, it's wrinkled red, black, and whatever that is, champagne.
There's black.
I told you I was fancy.
I thought you built this
Lip.
actually.
There's crinkle black.
Crinkle?
Yeah, chip.
wrinkle.
There's
Wrinkle.
Is there a difference between wrinkle and crinkle?
Is there a difference between jip and lip?
Usually I hate S12s. This one's pretty cool looking. It just
Okay,
works.
in the comments, is this a long E86?
Well, this is the thing. It'll never be 86. If you buy this car, you're wishing it was an 86.
Yeah, but it's bigger. I think 86s are too small, personally.
What's up, Sammy? What's your favorite part about this car?
This?
When you gotta cool down your
Vented taillight. And it has a cool owner, so that's neat too.
Forever soft spot for the Mark IVs.
They're my number.
This color and everything. The Brotiform.
The Brotiforms?
Brotiforms? Hell yeah.
Would you guys be upset if I got a 20th anniversary GTI? We were just talking.
No, get it. Do it. Yellow.
Yeah?
That's it, just yellow though.
Would you guys be cool with that?
I'm down. Dude, I want one. I'd
SR
drive one.
swap it.
Now you're thinking. We could do a no.
Front wheel drive SR.
I know we could do a Bluebird SR.
Yep.
Turn the camera on. Turn the camera on.
That would be pretty dope though.
Cool. That would have been a cool kiss, you're right.
Get out of here. Oh shit.
Hey.
Look at this man who defiled an RX-7.
It's all over. It's all done. It's all been ruined.
How's it feel though?
Great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you don't...
Instant power is lovely.
It is,
I mean,
it is.
Instant torque. Like, I beat an M4 with a downpipe and a tune.
So it's fast in a straight line. Is it still nimble or what?
It's still pretty nimble. I like it.
Well,
I mean, it does get a little weird if you push it too hard.
how's the bumps doing? Whatever, it looks good in there.
Like I was past wear bars, like they were slick. A couple times. Oh! Right there. Now, second in from the left on the top, hit it down. This one? Yeah. Oh! Now hit the other one on the other side, down. Yeah, that one.
There you go.
This is.
You're not all the way down. That other one.
Oh! You didn't tell me.
That's the skid plate.
Yo.
I can see you in it, dude.
I need hydraulics now. I had so much fun, I didn't even go anywhere. I just stood there.
I got before he was just like the general too. He was like Q&A.
No. Sheesh. It's like your ex-girlfriend.
You don't have to worry about falling out.
Yeah,
What's up, guys?
tight.
This is very tight. Like this is tight and pretty tight at the same time.
Cozy.
Oh, this is nice. We pulled them out of the.
This is my favorite part of the show right here.
Put on hill assist.
Yo, pop the leash off. Pop the leash off. Oh, total.
No, you still got time.
Oh, here we go. Look at he's floating downstream. He's like a little beaver, dude. I love it. Ooh!
You're heavy. I tried. Oh, I could go to shoulders. This is high. Holy shit. But what are you doing? No, stop. Nose. I'm gonna eat shit. Just do it. I told you I was gonna eat shit. I'm sorry. Why did you do that? You got me back. Oh my god.
Somebody get this man some ice. We got ice. Ow. I just want to know what the intentions were.
He was supposed to lean forward.
You didn't tell me that. You just shit whipped me. You flew so hard.
You didn't launch him forward, you like launched him backwards.
He didn't tell me what he was gonna do. Thanks. Still look good. At least that didn't hurt. I was like, no.
So our little hangout car show was fun. I know it was just kind of random footage, but we're just having a good time. Figured we'd film, right?
Good hangout time, yeah.
So there's a couple nice back runs around here. So we're just gonna go have some fun, do some driving, enjoy the E30 and the bunch of hats here.
Yes, sir.
And then go from there. But I'm just excited to drive the car.
Beautiful weather, relaxing. Besides blowing my back out.
Sorry, buddy.
It's all good. I'm good.
So there's a nice road up here. My buddy told us we should drive. So unfortunately, probably can't do any drifting, but we can still enjoy it. Kicked in, you got me. That was pretty good though.
I'm impressed by that.
Not bad. 265 horsepower KAT. 200 horsepower M52, baby. Not bad.
I looked in the rear view and I saw like blue and red and blues. That's why I dipped off.
Oh, no way.
That's why I dipped off.
I thought we were just having fun.
No, I was running.
Oh, cool. Well, I'm happy I followed you then.
Yeah, that's why I texted you, but I was like, I'm not taking chances.
Yeah, whatever.
So I don't know. We'll spin around.
Nice work, Jim. Love it. Get it, Jip. Get it, Jip. Attaboy. Oh, we're good. He doesn't have a handbrake, so it gets a little.
You gonna do it again?
Where's he going?
This is so pretty. Look at that hill. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I could have kept it going. Love it. That random Subaru is probably a little confused.
Yeah.
He knows what's going on. We're just a bunch of kids just having fun. It's Sunday.
What's that, me, Bob?
I don't know.
Oh, not that.
I think I just.
What'd you do?
I don't know. I think I
was
just
that
popped the
sound?
axle. We can still get home.
No. At least we're closer to home then.
Alright, well, I think I just blew up my first axle on the E30. I'm surprised it took this long.
Ooh, what's that clink?
My axle.
Oh.
Oh, man. So when you got a welded diff, you can still get home, but as long as this axle doesn't actually like fall and start wagging stuff. Oh, get it, Jip. Get it, Jip. Oh, not attaboy. I think I broke an axle.
Yeah?
Yeah. we go, boys. Right here. Yeah, driver's side axle. I clutch kicked her on that corner. That was beautiful, by the way. And then all of a sudden it was just like, yeah. At least I can still get home, so. Now the game is to not blow my diff up on the way home.
You hate to see it.
Dude, you know what? It was bound to happen.
Eventually.
Oh, it's literally just. Of course, there's grease everywhere. Oh yeah, look at there's grease on my exhaust, everything. Whatever. Yeah, look at there's even grease in the wheel. It's always such a mess when an axle blows up. Look it. Dang. But I think the U-joint actually broke in itself, so it's like the axle piece and the hub piece is just like kind of clinking around. So I think we should be good. I don't think I'm gonna hurt anything. So.
They mean it's held in there. Yeah, it's gonna make a mess, but
it's already made a mess. So
yeah.
All right.
Hashtag you.
Everything's great.
You're doing great.
Shout out to Welded Diffs. So we made it home, dropped Steph off, and now we gotta see if we can make it to the shop. But we're in clear territory because now I'm like close enough to the shop that it's not a big deal. So we're almost home clear. Not bad. Besides that, she did great today. I love this car. Every time I drive this car, I love this car more. Well, so you guys can see, blowing apart an axle is a really, really, really messy thing. Check the wheel. I mean, look at the wheel. This is all grease. I'm gonna have to clean all this up. What a shit show. Not super pumped about it. And then look at in here. I guess it could be a lot worse, but everything was so clean before. I'm gonna have to buy like 7 cans of brake clean to clean all this stuff off. Look at it. I have soiled this car. Look, oh my God, that's not good. Oh, it's so thick right there. There we go. Ugh. So it looks like I have a lot of cleaning on my hands and I have to somehow find another axle. And I should probably get an extra one too because it's probably gonna happen again. So, but I'm exhausted. I need to go home and start looking for another axle. So today was cool. Finally took the E30 out, finally got on the road, and I'm super excited. It was like the perfect timing to get to our little event today and have some fun with the friends, and it was just a great time. So, but I hope you guys still like today's video, even though it was just kind of random, just us having fun today. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.